Hey everyone, today I want to show you a really cool feature in Microsoft Edge. It's the Read Aloud feature where it will read websites to you in different voices or accents. So you can put it on, go do something else, and listen to all the information on that site. Let's go ahead and show you how this feature works. So let's dive into the Read Aloud feature here in Microsoft Edge. Go ahead and open up the Microsoft Edge browser and head on over to your favorite website. I'm heading on over to Northern Viking Explorer. It's my travel website. Now to use the Read Aloud feature, we're gonna find an open area on the website. So not where there's text or photos, kind of a blank area on the website. So in my situation, it's white. On other websites, it might be black or blue, etc. And we're gonna right click with our mouse, not left click, but right click. And it's going to give us a little menu here. And in the middle of that menu, you'll see the Read Aloud option, which is a really cool feature here in Edge. Now, the shortcut for this is Control plus Shift plus U all at the same time on your keyboard. So if you want to use a shortcut, that is available for you. Now, when I left click on this, it's going to start reading the website aloud to us. So let me try this out.
Welcome to Northern Viking Explorer. If you love travel, exploring and discovering new things, follow.
Now I can push the space bar to pause it and play it again. Handy feature there as well. And up here at the top, you can see it says play, or there's a play button. This will be paused once the voice is playing. You can jump backwards or forwards here using this feature. Now, there's some other cool options here as well, including changing the accent or the voice of how it's being read. So up here in the top right-hand corner, you can see it says voice options. Go ahead and left click on that. Now, the first feature you'll see is you can adjust the speed. So if you want it to be read a little bit slower, maybe you're just learning the language, you can slow it down. Or maybe you're trying to read an article very quickly, you can speed it up and have it go through that article quickly. This is super handy if maybe you're cooking dinner and you want an article read to you so you can be hands-free while you're doing that. Now in here as well, you'll see this choose a voice option, and maybe you want a different voice. Let's try out Richard here towards the top. You can go ahead and select that, and then I'll hit play and we can listen to Richard's voice.
Follow us on our adventures. This site is here to share our knowledge, experience, and favorite deals.
Or maybe you're a little bit more comfortable with certain accents as well. We can go through here and select one. We'll go down the list here. Let's pick this one from Ethiopia. We'll select that one and we'll hit play.
Deals with you. Thanks for taking the time to visit.
And then it's going to read the article for you in that accent. So you can pick from all sorts of voices and accents that you're comfortable with. Really awesome feature here in Microsoft Edge. Now, when you're done with this, you can hit the little X here in the top right-hand corner to close it down, or you can right-click again and hit close Read Aloud right here, and it'll close that out when you're all done with the Read Aloud feature. Awesome feature here in Microsoft Edge. Check it out. I think you will enjoy it. So hope this Microsoft Edge tutorial gave you value. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.